Say hi.
Hi.
See, we're at the Great Wolf Lodge. I'm gonna go swimming. I got my Spongebobs on. Show them your Spongebobs. Ooh, sexy. There's Daddy.
Oh yeah.
And this is our room.
Tyler has a little crown. You gonna show the camera your crown?
You know what? Oop, it's Daddy.
What?
Daddy's showing me your crown instead of you.
Look. He's got a little knife. He's a little knife here. I'm gonna pass this on to whoever else. Even if we have a girl, we're gonna wear that because she's gonna be a knife. She's gonna be a
Daddy? Say hi, Daddy.
Hi, love you guys. We got a
Say
baby
hi.
here.
This is Mommy and this is Baby at the Great Wolf Lodge. So brother and sister, you were here too. Mommy's belly. Hey, nice Connor.
You wanna wear this or do you want Daddy wear it? Alright.
Alright, say bye. I'm gonna go have fun.
Have fun.
Love you.
Bye.
Blow kisses. Alright, bye.